Sarap. Kain tayo. Sausaw sa maanghang na suka. Ah. Simulan ko sa anak ko mag-umpisa. Ito. Crabs. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is magmukbang ako ng itong Boodle 5 tray. So I don't know if I'm gonna eat them all, but I try. I eat as much as I can. So, ayan guys. Keep on watching. First, oh my gosh, where I'm gonna start. So first, I have a lumpia sweet and sour sauce. And I have vinegar, spicy with chili. I already washed my hands, guys. So this is the chili, green, red one, and then a green one. So maanghang talaga to, very hanghang. So I have hot dog, tender juicy hot dogs, and I have fish galonggong, pritong galonggong, and I have chorizo. And I have lumpia. And I have there, crabs. Naiwan yung isa. Crabs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crabs. It's already half, so it'll be 1, 2, 2.5 crabs. And then, what else I have? Kamuti. Yes, sweet potato, kamuti. Yan ang kamuti, sweet potato. And I have mango. Mango. So, let's lapangan, guys. And then I have drinks, ginger ale, yung pang pang barber lang siya. Kasi, inom muna ako. So, let's dig in na ako. Mag-dig in. Saka kanin. Jasmine rice. Parang ako mag-start. Gala ko ng lumpia. Tayo mga guys. Kain tayo. I think that's it, guys. So I think that's it for my vlogs for today. I can't take it anymore. I'm too full. I eat too much na. Busog na talaga ako, guys. So I think this video is ending. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe na para ma-keep you updated sa mga video. Bye guys! Thank you! Bye!